Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are discussing the food science and technology, in which we are discussing the food constituents. We have already discussed the role of water and carbohydrates. In this lecture, we will discuss the role of the proteins. Proteins are nitrogenous organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. And some of the proteins contain sulfur, zinc, and other elements. According to the end product are the proteins which are utilized are used for some other purposes. Proteins are found in plants and animals. The proteins which are found in plants are of low quality as compared to the proteins found in the animals. That's why the proteins found in plants are called low biological value protein, and the proteins found in animals are called high biological value protein. What's the difference between these two? The low biological value proteins are those which lack some essential or non-essential, basically some essential amino acids, while the high biological value proteins contain all the essential amino acids in sufficient amount and are not needed to be taken from the environment, from the outside, in other foods or in the form of supplements or the blends. Proteins provide structural support to the animals. For bone and teeth formation, it is required, and for other purposes. Remember that some other things are also made of it, such as the hormones, the antibodies, and the enzymes. Enzymes expedite the speed of rate of reaction, while the hormones regulate the body functions, and antibodies fight against the infection or the diseases. Proteins are made up of the amino acids, and amino acids are known as the building blocks of the proteins. In the upcoming lectures, we will discuss the amino acids, the types such as the essential and non-essential amino acids, and the formation of proteins, and then the properties of proteins. Remember that antibodies are required for the fight against the infectious microorganisms or the other things which can cause any kind of disease or abnormality to the body. Hormones regulate the body functions, and the body perform properly and sufficiently if it is present in the body, but they are made up of proteins. And the enzymes don't undergo any change during the reaction, but they expedite the rate of reaction, for which a huge energy is required. This is the main role or importance of the hormones and enzymes and antibodies, which we discussed. In upcoming lectures, we will discuss what we mentioned above. Thank you.